Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on adding and subtraction of algebraic form. But before we go, if you are new in this channel, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By doing that, let's proceed. If you are asked to add or subtract an algebraic fraction, so this is the easiest method you are going to follow in order to add or subtract your algebraic expression. Let's start with addition, with adding. For example, you are given 5 over 2d plus 7 divided by 2d. So this is very simple. How are we going to get our answer? So since here we have 2d, again we have 2d, so we are going to take only one 2d, so therefore 2d. Here we have 5 and 7, so 5 plus 7 equals to 5 plus 7 equals to 12 over 2d. So we are going to look at a number that will divide 12 and 2 without any remainder. We are going to use 2. Definitely 2 will divide 12 and will divide 2. So 2 here, 6. 2 cancel 2. We are left with d. So our final answer equals to 6 over d. So let's go to the subtraction. Assuming you are given a number 5a over 8 minus 3a divided by 8. So this is very simple. Since here we have 2 8 at the denominator, so we are going to take only one 8. So 5a minus 3a, 5a minus 3a. So 5a minus 3a equals to 2a divided by 8. Again, we are going to look at a number that will divide 2 and a without remainder. We are going to use 2. 2 here, cancel 2. We are left with a divided by 2 here, 4. So a over 4 is our final answer. So this is the easiest way you are going to follow in order to add or subtract your algebraic terms. So thank you guys for watching our YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you once again.